what you got yourself into.
No. Say, I'm sorry. Not rub his head. Give him a hug. Jaxson? She's trying to apologize for hitting you in the head. Okay. No more hitting, okay? Madison, no more hitting, okay? You okay, buddy? Yeah. Good morning. It's Saturday. Good morning. It's Sunday. Good morning. It's Monday. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Rob, let's go.
Hey, you're on the phone. You're on the camera. So.
No, I'm running. Let's go. So your little Spanish girlfriend can come on here and talk about how I treat you bad. Let's go. Thank you. Whatever.
Don't ask about sausages. I want them.
We're getting ready to go to Lowe's because we have to anchor down this trampoline because it might blow away. It's not gonna might blow away. It's gonna blow away. I have to put my shoe on, but I can't because I'm talking to you guys. So, can you guys let me go so I can put my shoe on, please? Please. I will punch you straight in the face. This is not my new little target. Want to say something? Say something. Say something. Good morning. Get up off the floor. What are you, a little puppy?
Time for life and you're done.
Wow, this is a new burger.
Huh?
Wow, this is a new burger. The wet, cold burger.
You and Destiny cleaned up this kitchen.
Okay.
Put these in the refrigerator.
You see? Rob is bossing somebody around. Anybody saying anything?
All this stuff. Everything. I'll be back.
You ready? Alright, let's go. I love this. I like this guy. It's only $148. And then I also like this guy because it's big enough for our whole family. This is $298. Let's go. Come on. Let's swing. Ooh, it's a little better than the other one. Right, mommy? Right? Is it a little better than the other one? Yeah? You like this one? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Okay. It's so early in the morning. There's no one in the store. My husband is looking for anchors to anchor down the trampoline. You ready, girl? Hop on. Hop on. Come on. So I'm gonna go find him. Maddie. Close it. So we're looking at our refrigerator because we have to. She's fine. She just moved. Because we have to replace
more door space.
Our black fridge that we have that came with our house.
This one has more
door space
on this side.
Okay. Watch your hand, mommy. It's between these two guys.
This one only has this little. This one only has this little rinky-dink.
Maybe if we see something else, but for the price.
Excuse me, Madison.
Because it's what, $16.99, practically $1,700 compared to everything else. Watch out, mommy. So it's between Frigidaire and Samsung. It doesn't have a ice maker.
This Samsung?
Yeah.
Why don't we just get ice cubes?
It doesn't have a mommy.
It's pretty big.
And
it's light. The doors are light.
Watch out, mama.
Feel it. Close it and then open it. Feel how light.
Oh yeah.
You feel the do you?
Yeah. Watch out, mommy.
You feel
but it doesn't have that little drawer feature that at the bottom for like fresh. Oh, right here. It's so small though. For like cheese and stuff. Their freezer section looks smaller.
Oh, that's your ice maker right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's taking up way too much space in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's right there.
Yeah, that's way too much space in the freezer. Watch your hand. I wouldn't get this. Come on, let's go see if we see anything cheaper. Okay, we found this guy, but it's $2,200, and I like it because the ice thing is not taking up the whole fridge, and my battery's dying. Oh, look at this guy. We're back home. We went to Habitat for Humanity to get some trim because I'm getting ready to do another project, but I have to finish up the stairs. I still have to paint. So that's what I got. Stop.
What?
It's gonna hit the...
It won't hit.
Oh, okay. So that's what I got.
It'll hit when your car is on this.
I got some trim pieces.
Why, did you hit it already?
No, well, you told me not to do it.
Yeah, no, you can do it like this.
Yeah, you said not to let the door go all the way up to the garage thing because it will hit.
If your front wheels...
Alright, I don't care.
Because of the...
Alright. Good morning, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys all the projects that we've completed so far. You can't really see that one because of the light. But we framed out this window and this window. Stairs are completed. I don't know if I showed you guys this. It needs to be painted, but whatever. So we did manage to rip the thing off. We're still working on this because this is not real wood, and I discovered because we're gonna stain this whole thing, and then later on down the line we're gonna remove this wall and put rails, and then also up here we're gonna remove this half wall and put rails. This guy has to come down and get stained the same color as that so that it looks much better going up the stairs. It's not so much white. And then we're gonna paint, but we're gonna paint after they do the nail pot fixed. And then in the bathroom, I don't know if I showed you guys, I'm still backed up on vlogs, but I figured I would include this update. So we changed out the light fixture. We did that. We painted and put up this little shelf right here. We're thinking of changing this out to put a sink for more storage. So that's the update in here so far. And then moving on over here is we put a chandelier here because we didn't have any light fixture here, and we framed out too much light. We framed out that big window right there. Looks so good. Of course, you know, the lighting is not gonna let you guys see how great it is. All right, so let's move on to plans. So I'm gonna do, there's gonna be a table right there. I just need to find the right table, and then we're gonna do board and batten on this wall, all along this wall, and I think, and then we have to change out the flooring and also change out that refrigerator. Not so much the other stuff, but just the refrigerator. And this is coming soon. And then the flooring is apart. I think hubby said the flooring will be next. If not, it's gonna be our backyard. Definitely our backyard, because we need a patio back here. So we're gonna put patio right there by the fireplace. We're gonna do a deck right off the kitchen. Gonna do a deck, and then there's gonna be a shed and fencing all along, privacy fencing all along our backyard. So that is all within this year, and I think that's it for this year. And then I have to do this little guy's room. He's first, then the twins, I believe,
For what?
and then probably Destiny and Maddie early next year.
Decorate our room.
Yeah, all new furniture.
Ooh, I want a new bed.
You want a new bed?
Yeah.
Yep, you guys desperately need big boy beds.
I have.
So they're gonna get big boy beds because they're going to be 13 this year. And then he never had a room, so all the furniture that he has in his room are all hand-me-down. So he's first up on the list. He's gonna get a board and bat in his room on the wall, an accent wall. And then his bed, his name above his bed. We have to pick out a dresser, a bed, and his closet. So, and I'm trying to do it all under $1,500 for his room. They might be $2,000 ish because they need bed, trunks, all that stuff, but that's later on down the line. So we just have to budget for it and plan accordingly. They might get it for their birthday, as a birthday gift. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the update that we've done so far in our home. And I'm so ready to get rid of this carpet. If you guys can see how flat it is, it's ridiculous. Look how flat that is compared to where the sofa was over here. Like, it's so flat. It's ridiculous. So I can't wait for this guy to be gone.